So today we're going to make a very easy to do, simple DIY frame upcycle. Going to take an old frame and add some reclaimed wood and bring it into the modern age. So all you'll need for this project is a frame with a flat edge that you can nail reclaimed wood to, your reclaimed wood, whatever you decide to use. A brad nailer, I like the cordless one, it's convenient, but you could use a pneumatic, hook up to an air compressor. Sandpaper, wood glue, tape measure, don't forget like I did, safety goggles, and trusty carpenter's pencil. Should be all you need. I took my tape measure and I measured the inside distance 7 3/4 from here to here on the frame. So I mount these two pieces, or dry fit them, and the width of the frame is 9 inches, but because of the thickness of these two pieces now, I need 9 3/4. So if I had just measured the frame and cut the pieces, it would look like that instead of this. So if you can see it, I've got my line and my X. I know this is garbage piece, which is not true because I'll probably use it for something else. There's my X. I want to cut right on the line. A lot of times I'll take a square because I know that's going to be a true 90-degree line and go all the way across. And I add it to my miter saw. Lightly sand. No returning after that. Just lightly sand the sides. Doesn't take much, just want to get the shine off. So the glue sticks, you're going to take a little bit of glue. And then simply take our weathered, this is reclaimed cedar actually that's dry brushed. Nail gun, you got to be careful of where the glass is. So the glass actually slides in about 1/8 of an inch on each side of the frame. So I don't want to put my nails right on the edge because the nail's going to go through the wood and into the glass and probably shatter it all the way across. That's why I put the brad nails as far or as close to the outer edge as I could, hoping I wouldn't hit glass. So you don't know, close my eyes on the first one just in case. Always wear safety glasses. Check. Let me go ahead and mount the last piece. And then I like to just check, and you'll notice I overshot a brad nail right there. So I'll have to fix that. I'm going to add one while I'm thinking about it. Try not to break the glass on the last nail. Hooray! The great thing about this project is I think all of us have a box of old frames up in the attic that are outdated, and you can easily bring them into the modern age with a little reclaimed wood.